Ever looked up at the night sky, vast and twinkling, and dreamt of soaring amongst the stars? Since the dawn of humanity, we've been captivated by the cosmos, yearning to explore the unknown. That yearning led to the marvel of space travel, spaceships carrying our dreams and ambitions into the inky blackness. But how exactly do these incredible machines function? What allows them to defy gravity and hurtle through the void? Buckle up, because we're about to embark on a thrilling journey into the heart of a spaceship. Reaching for escape velocity, the great climb. Our story begins not in the blackness of space, but firmly rooted on Earth. Unlike airplanes that rely on air for lift, spaceships need a tremendous amount of force to break free from our planet's gravitational pull. This escape velocity, as it's called, is roughly 25,000 kilometers per hour, over 15,000 miles per hour. To achieve this mind-blowing speed, spaceships rely on the incredible power of rockets. Imagine a giant firecracker. Rockets operate on a similar principle. They burn a special blend of fuel and oxidizer, a substance that allows burning to occur, inside a combustion chamber. The burning fuel creates hot, expanding gases that blast out of the rocket nozzle at incredible speeds. Remember Newton's third law of motion: for every action, there's an equal and opposite reaction. The forceful expulsion of these gases propels the rocket forward, overcoming Earth's gravity and launching it skyward. The symphony of parts, inside the spaceship. But a rocket engine is just one piece of the puzzle. A spaceship is a complex machine, an orchestra of components working together in harmony. Let's delve deeper and explore some key players. Propulsion system: this isn't limited to just the launch rockets. Once in space, spaceships use smaller engines for maneuvering and course corrections. These engines might use different types of fuel, depending on the mission's needs. Guidance and navigation system: like a ship's captain, a spaceship needs a sophisticated guidance system to chart its course and reach its destination. This system relies on gyroscopes for stability, star trackers for celestial navigation, and powerful computers to process information and make course adjustments. Thermal control system: space is a harsh environment. On the sunny side of a spaceship, temperatures can soar, while the other side plunges into frigid darkness. The thermal control system ensures a stable internal temperature for the crew and equipment. It uses radiators to expel excess heat and heaters to keep things warm when needed. Life support system: for missions with astronauts, a spaceship essentially becomes a self-contained bubble of life. The life support system provides breathable air, regulates pressure, removes carbon dioxide, and even manages waste. It's a marvel of technology, keeping astronauts healthy and safe for extended periods. Communication system: spaceships need to stay connected to Earth mission control. Powerful antennas and communication systems allow real-time communication, vital for sending data, receiving instructions, and maintaining a lifeline back home. The future of space travel: new horizons await. Spaceship technology is constantly evolving. Reusable rockets are revolutionizing launches, making space travel more affordable and sustainable. We're looking towards more powerful engines, like those using nuclear thermal propulsion, that could drastically reduce travel times to distant destinations. And as we explore the possibilities of deep space habitats and even interstellar travel, spaceships will continue to adapt and innovate, becoming even more complex and sophisticated. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, keep dreaming of the stars.